Most people think a bigger paycheck will solve their money problems, but that's a myth. The truth, higher income usually leads to higher expenses, not wealth. You get a raise, you upgrade your lifestyle, bigger house, fancier car, more debt. This is the rat race. Working harder, earning more, but never getting ahead. You're working for money, but your money isn't working for you. Schools teach you to be an employee, not an investor. My poor dad followed this path. Steady job, steady bills, no wealth. My rich dad taught me. It's not what you earn, it's what you do with what you earn. Wealth is about financial intelligence, not academic degrees. Many high earners are one paycheck away from disaster. They look rich, but they're broke. True wealth is freedom. When your assets pay your bills, not your job. Most people never experience this because they're too busy chasing paychecks to buy more liabilities. Your job is a short-term fix for a long-term problem. Financial ignorance. If you don't learn how money works, you'll work for it forever. The first step to wealth is realizing paychecks alone won't get you there. Focus on financial education, not just earning more. Shift from working for money to making money work for you. This is the lesson schools never teach. It's the foundation of real wealth. Meet Tom and Jerry. Same job, same salary, same start. Tom pays bills, saves a little, and spends the rest on comforts, new gadgets, dinners, vacations. He's doing what he's been told. Live within your means, save a bit. Jerry pays himself first, invests 15% of his income before spending on anything else. He buys assets, stocks, real estate funds, small businesses. Every dollar Jerry invests becomes an employee working for him. 5 years later, Tom's income and lifestyle have grown, but he's still living paycheck to paycheck. Inflation eats his savings, and he feels stuck. Jerry's investments are generating passive income. He reinvests, letting compounding work its magic. Tom blames the economy. Jerry builds wealth, decision by decision. The difference isn't opportunity, it's habits. Tom chose comfort, Jerry chose discipline and education. Both started equal, but their choices set them on different paths. Wealth is built by consistent, smart decisions, not luck. Which path will you choose? The choice is yours. More money won't fix your problems if your habits are broken. If you're bad with money, a bigger paycheck just means bigger mistakes. Money problems are usually mindset and habit problems, not income problems. The poor and middle class are trained to consume. The rich are trained to invest. Look at lottery winners. Most go broke because their mindset never changed. Your financial blueprint, your beliefs and habits, determines your wealth. The most valuable asset is your mind. Invest in financial education, and you can create wealth from little. Don't, and you'll lose even a fortune. The key: know the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take it out. The rich buy assets. The poor buy liabilities they think are assets. Next time you want more money, ask, what skill am I missing? What habit is holding me back? The solution isn't in your paycheck, it's in your mindset. Change your thinking, change your habits, and your finances will follow. Stop blaming lack of money. Start learning. Responsibility is the first step to wealth. Your future depends on it. The comfort zone is where dreams go to die. Most people choose comfort over growth, security over freedom. They fear risk, so they stay stuck, trading potential for a paycheck. My poor dad valued job security and never left his comfort zone. My rich dad knew growth and comfort can't coexist. He embraced mistakes, learned, and kept moving forward. The biggest risk is never taking any risk. Growth means embracing discomfort, learning new skills, starting side businesses, investing instead of spending. Friends and family may call you crazy, but comfort is the real trap. Wealth requires discipline, patience, and facing your fears. Every time you choose comfort, you reinforce habits that keep you poor. Next time you face a choice, pick growth over ease. Step outside your comfort zone. Fear means you're on the right path. True security isn't a paycheck, it's adaptability and growth. Don't let comfort cost you your future. Choose growth. Every time. That's where wealth lives. Most people know what to do: save, invest, budget, but they don't do it. The problem isn't knowledge, it's action. The world is full of broke geniuses who never act on what they know. Knowledge is only potential power. Action is real power. My poor dad was smart, but fear kept him from investing. The action gap, fear of mistakes, fear of loss, keeps people stuck. Closing the action gap is the most important step to wealth. Move from I know to I do. Start small. Visit a property, open a brokerage account, buy one share. The first step creates momentum. Inaction is the biggest failure, guaranteeing you'll stay in the rat race. The rich make more mistakes, but they learn and grow from them. Don't wait for perfection. Just start. Every action, no matter how small, builds your financial future. Fear of failure is normal, but inaction is the real risk. Take action today. Your future depends on it. Don't just learn, do. That's how wealth is built. Building wealth isn't complicated. The financial industry just wants you to think it is. The real formula is simple: mindset plus skills, plus income, plus investing. First, mindset. If you think like a consumer, you'll stay broke. Think like an investor. Adopt habits of abundance, growth, and discipline. Second, skills. High-value skills like sales, negotiation, and financial literacy are your real security. The more value you create, the more you earn. Third, income. Use your mindset and skills to increase your earnings through promotions, side businesses, or entrepreneurship. But high income alone isn't enough. The final step is investing. Put a significant portion of your income to work buying assets. Assets generate more income, which you use to buy more assets. This creates a cycle of wealth. The formula is simple, but it takes discipline and patience. Most people look for shortcuts. The rich follow this process. Master these 4 pillars, and wealth is inevitable. Don't overcomplicate it. Focus on the basics. That's the real secret. Start now. Meet Sarah, a barista with a modest income and big ambitions. She knows her job is temporary, so she focuses on the wealth formula. Instead of wasting evenings, she learns digital marketing online. She sacrifices fun for skills: SEO, social media, email marketing. Sarah starts freelancing, helping local businesses. Her side business grows, soon out-earning her barista job. She keeps her lifestyle modest, saving the surplus. Instead of spending, she invests in assets she understands, like buying a coffee blog. She uses her skills to grow the blog's income. The blog becomes a passive income asset. She reinvests, buying more online businesses. In a few years, Sarah's assets cover her living expenses. She's no longer a barista. She's a business owner and investor. She followed the formula: mindset, skills, income, investing. Wealth isn't about where you start. It's about what you do. Invest in yourself, then invest your money. That's how you get rich. Anyone can do it. Wealth is built by your daily choices, not one big decision. Small habits, like buying coffee, unused subscriptions, or endless scrolling, add up to financial struggle. Each choice is a vote: consumer or investor. Do you start your day with social media or with learning? When you get paid, do you spend first or invest first? The rich pay themselves first. The poor pay bills first. Your free time is your greatest asset. Use it to build, not escape. Wealthy people create, learn, and invest in their future. Audit your last 24 hours. Were your choices building wealth or destroying it? This isn't about guilt, it's about awareness. You can't change what you don't acknowledge. Change starts with small daily decisions. Decide today to make choices that serve your future self. Every day is a chance to get richer or poorer. Choose wisely. Most people think wealth is luck or background, but that's just an excuse. In reality, your financial future is shaped by your choices, not chance. You are where you are because of past decisions. Your future depends on what you do next. You can choose comfort or growth, consumption or investment, ignorance or education. No one can make these choices for you. Not your boss, not your parents, not the government. The journey to wealth requires changing your mindset, habits, and relationship with money. It's not easy. There will be setbacks and temptations to quit, but the freedom on the other side is worth it. Freedom from stress, freedom to live on your terms. True wealth is available to anyone willing to pay the price. Excuses end today. Take control. Start small. Read a book, open an investment account, make one future-focused decision. The journey to wealth begins with a single step. Your destiny is written in your daily choices, not the stars. Will you be a slave to money or its master? The choice is yours. Choose action, choose growth, choose wealth. Your future starts now.